Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK 19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about triggers. So, these are the 6 questions I get, and now see the questions. Create a following tables as course. So, here I create a table as a course and course code, course name, and the syllabus and last number. And second one, I have to create a fees paid table and roll number, fees paid date, and check number and bank name, remarks and amount. So I create here and the table was created, and we have to insert a values like this. So here I create that values, insert that values here, and the row was created, and again we have to create a table like this, and here I create a table like this, and we have to insert a two values. So I insert the two values here, and that row was created, two rows are created, and we are coming to the first question. Create a trigger to check the validity of course code. Should be of 2 digit, cannot be less than 10 and greater than 99 before a row is inserted in a course table. So this is the first question answer. So that is in here. Create or replace a trigger as I assign as a value as tr1, a trigger value, and after insert an inquiry table for each row. So we have to here start at begin. So I use here if function. New course code is 9 and the new course code is so that course code is less than 10 and greater than 99. So here new course is greater than 199, so I put 100, and then dms output dot put dot line, and the row was inserted, or else raise the application's error. So I here the error I come -404 wrong course IDs. So and we have to close the if function, so I put the end if, and we have to and I have to put the end operation for close this begin function, and at last we have to put the right slash. So the trigger was created, and second, coming to second question, create a trigger which does not allow any DML operation or a inquiry table if the name of the user is student1. So this is the second question. Create or replace a trigger as in tr2 after update or delete or insert an inquiry table for each row. So here I begin. If the new name is I assign student1, then it is not correct means it tries a application error. So 401 wrong ID it shows, and I close that if statement here and if, and here I close the end statement as begin. So right slash to close that operation. So the trigger was created. And coming to third question, create a trigger that allows no insert operation on fees paid table when the amount is less than 10,000. So this is a third trigger. So create or replace a trigger as tr3 after insert on fees paid table for each row, and we have to here begin statements, and if the statement new dot amount is less than 10,000, and then there is an application error 401 insufficient amount. So here I close that if statement and end statement for begin and right slash. The trigger was created. And coming to fourth question, create a trigger to ensure no insert operation to be allowed in an inquiry table when the inquiry date is above 25th August 17. So here I create a replace a trigger as a tr4 after insert an inquiry table for each row, and here inquiry date is above 25 August and 17. So if it is above, then it is not an above, it tries an application error. So 401 wrong date. So end if statement is end and end at begin statement and right slash. So the trigger was created. And fifth question, create a trigger which does not allow any update operation in inquiry table whenever the old value of the update statement is not equal to the old value in the table. So this is the fifth one. Create or replace a trigger as tr5 after update on inquiry table for each row and begin function. So here I put a if condition. So if statement and the old inquiry number is not equal to new inquiry number, or that old name is not equal to a new name, or old course ID is not equal to the new course ID, and or old street is not equal to a new street, or old city is not equal to new city, and old inquiry date is not equal to new inquiry date, or old code is not equal to a reference code. It means it's gone. And if it's not correct means there is an application error. So 401 is error it shows. And I close the if conditions here and close the begin condition in here and using and right slash. So the trigger was created. And coming to the sixth question, create a trigger to ensure that no insert operation to be allowed in a fees paid table when the average of the fees paid amount is above 50,000. So here I create or replace a trigger as a 6, and after insert on a fees paid table for each row and declare a integer. So begin here and select the average amount into a from fees paid table. And if the a is if a is greater than 50,000 then that it will shows a error. So end if conditions, and here I use end function and this right slash the trigger was created. So this is the code for these questions, and thank you for watching this code.